Hello everyone, this is Longwang. I'm Mark. I have many years of purchasing and service experience in the CNC processing industry. But how to search and find suppliers, how to distinguish between different types of suppliers, and how to distinguish and choose reliable Chinese suppliers or factories. In this video, I'll share 4 tips. I hope they will be helpful to you. View products and stores. If you don't want to face some problems such as you pay a merchant but he doesn't make any goods or the products being made are of poor quality, then you should check the relevant company information carefully, such as some real-life photos, how many processing machines there are, and how many years of processing experience, etc. And the products launched by a good supplier should have good product pictures, detailed product information, and a complete product details page. Quality and certification. Check whether products and suppliers have corresponding quality certifications. Normally, enterprise suppliers should comply with the Enterprise Quality Management System, which is ISO 9001. If you want to purchase some auto parts, then the corresponding suppliers should be certified with IATF 16949. Similarly, if you want to purchase some electronic or electrical products, then corresponding suppliers should have road certification and meet relevant packaging laws such as VerpackG packaging law. Platform high-quality certification. Prefer suppliers with platform certifications such as Gold Supplier and Verified Supplier. If it is a product, it is top sales and top most popular. Service and attitude. Ask for technical details and past cooperation cases. It's very important to why the supplier can answer the questions and provide good service. And in next video, we're going to improve your purchasing efficiency and experience. So if you are interested, please like, subscribe, and keep following. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm Mark. This is Longwang. See you in next video. Bye.